Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to make the orientation, paper, portrait, and landscape in a file. So now I have some example here. You see that there are two styles. It's landscape and portrait. And I will to explain and create to use right now. Normally, I think that if there's someone that wants to insert the paper, they will click on insert and click on page break. And you will got the one paper. It's like this example. First, put cursor in the paper. Next, click insert. And after, click page break to insert the paper. And you will got one paper like that. But it's not like the example. It means that as a second paper, I need the landscape. It's not portrait. How can I change the orientation? If you change the orientation to the landscape, you will click on layout and click on orientation button. And click on landscapes to change the paper from portrait to landscape like this. So it means that all the paper change all. So I done it like this. So the first paper is portrait and the second paper is a landscape. How can I preset? Okay, I will to explain you. Now click undo to back the action. And next click on break button. And click on next page. You will got one more paper. And next, if you want to change to the landscape, you just click on orientation and choose the landscape button. So the second paper will change orientation like this, like my example here. And next, I want to get one more paper, and the paper is portrait, and the orientation is portrait. So if you click on insert and click on page break, the third paper will show you the landscape paper. But now the next paper I need the portrait. So just click on layout. And next click on break button. Okay, the result you will got one paper. And the paper's orientation is a landscape. So if you want to change the landscape papers to portrait, just click on orientation and click on portrait buttons. Okay, check the result please. It means that the third paper will change to the portrait. Now I need one more paper portrait. I just click on insert and click on page break. Okay, the fourth paper will show me the portrait like this. Anyway, I have one more sharing steps to you. If you want to make the paper, portrait and landscape in one file, you can do like this. First, I need to insert the paper. I click on insert. Next, I click on page break and create 4 paper. So now, on my file, there are 4 paper. And next, if you want to change the orientation on the second paper to portrait, you can put your cursor on the second page. And next, click on layout tab. And after, click break button. And click continue as. And after, click on orientation and choose the landscape. So the result of the second paper will show you the landscape. But the third and fourth paper will change also. You need to change if you want to change to the portrait. First, put cursor on the third paper. Next, click on layout and click on break button and choose continue as. And after, click orientation and click portrait. So the result of the paper number 3 and number 4 will change to the portrait. Okay, right now with the orientation to make the paper landscape and portrait, I finished. I think that you understand to change the paper orientation. Next, I want to show you how to show the footer in Microsoft Word. First, click on insert. Next, click on footer and choose style. And after, the result of the footer will show bottom the paper.